welcome to the John and Dad Show. Today we have 3 Disney Villains mystery minis that we're going to open.
The last 3.
I'm still really hoping we get Dr. Facilier, but he's 1 out of 72, so he's really hard to get. Who
Or
do
we
you
could
hope
get the
get?
octopus or the Queen of Hearts.
I'm hoping for Dr. Facilier, so let's hope we get Dr. Facilier. This is way, way too light. This is definitely not Dr. Facilier. Oh, it's a duplicate. We do already have him, but he's a cute duplicate. It's
Let's see.
Sir Hiss from
Ooh.
Robin Hood.
Yes. Oh, he's really cute.
We do.
He doesn't even look villainous at all. He looks kind of friendly. Like I'd hang out with him. We could be buddies and stuff. Hello.
Who do you hope we get?
Octopus.
It's an exclusive.
Exclusive.
Lotso.
Ba-ba-da-dum. Oh, Lotso hugging bear. He looks friendly, but he is a villain. He
And
will
Lotso.
cause you trouble.
Lotso is 1 out of 36.
Oh, rare. What else?
1 out of 36 for
One
Lotso.
more.
That's really cool. We got
And he
a
smells like strawberries.
Doesn't really hear.
Not this guy.
The mystery mini smells
The
like
real
plastic.
Lotso smells like strawberries. I've hugged him.
Oh yeah, we met him at Disney World at the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party.
He's just so fluffy.
Wouldn't that be awesome if we got Dr. Facilier, the 1 out of 72 that...
I'm closing my eyes and I'm sending voodoo energy to that box.
I don't think this is Dr. Facilier.
Yeah, I'm not really good with voodoo.
It's a duplicate.
Oh, Patch. Huh. All these villains not so villainous. Look at all the scary villains. All right, Lotso.
Wow. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, goodbye.
Goodbye.